It's day 28 of our 7-week trip to Thailand, and we are finally down south, and we're staying at Khao Sok National Park. This time we're with family. For the next few days, we're going to be staying at the small village right at the entrance to the national park. It's kind of touristy, but it's a lovely place surrounded by mountains and beautiful greenery and rivers. We are staying at the Khao Sok Rainforest Resort, and so let's have a look at our room. Let's step on inside, and a very nice king-size bed, air conditioning, good size room with a refrigerator, nice couch. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom. Oh, we've got a little closet here for our clothes. We've got a sink area, which is nice, a separate one. And then your basic wet bathroom that is very large. Oh, that's fantastic. But let's have a look at one of the nicest features of all. Outside here is our deck, and we are right on the river. We'll be able to sit out here, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning. There are also monkeys around, but we'll try and avoid those. And I hear we can even go swimming in the river. Very nice. So this is our first day at Khao Sok National Park, and we're going to go for a little hike in the park. And hopefully we won't encounter too many leeches. I'll let you know. So we've decided to do a fairly short hike. It's about 6 kilometers round trip, and it's the Bang Hao Trail up to a waterfall, and it's really lovely hiking through this tropical rainforest, lovely bamboo groves. Yeah, we're really enjoying it. Oh, a couple of monkeys on the trail. So we're about almost 3 kilometers in, and we've arrived at the first set of falls, and they have a great little setup here. You've got washrooms, and down below there's a place that you can get some cold drinks and have a place to sit. Yeah, all very civilized. So we're here during the dry season, and the falls, well, there's not much in the way of falls, but it's very pretty, and it was just a lovely walk. This is what most people come to Khao Sok for, to see Cheow Lan Lake, and we've organized a private boat tour for our group. Okay, here's where we go down to catch our boat. And we're off. We've got a great boat, lots of room, we've got a nice sunshade, and the scenery is absolutely stunning. Here we are stopping at the Diamond Cave to go for a little walk through the cave. Really just so beautiful around here. There are lots and lots of people who come and stop at the cave on the lake tour. A little bit crowded. Our next stop was the Three Sisters, basically a photo op, and we took full advantage of it. And then it was time for a lunch break at Putawan Bungalows. It was pretty busy there, full of day trippers like ourselves. But we had a pretty decent lunch, and after lunch, we managed to escape the crowds by going out on the kayaks. Goodbye, Putawan. And just like that, we were back at the pier. So we've made a little pit stop to see the dam here at Khao Sok, and it's much bigger than it appears from the lake. I'll show you on the other side. There's one side from the lake side, and when you look over, it's this massive hydroelectric project. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short visit to Khao Sok National Park. Join us in our next video as we head further south to Koh Lanta.